Scoop, a powerful and easy-to-use package manager for Windows. It's lightweight, fast, and doesn't require admin privileges for most installations. This makes it a great alternative to other package managers like Chocolatey or Winget. So, what is a package manager? It is something that lets you install, uninstall, and update all your packages or apps from a command line interface, similar to apt in Ubuntu and Homebrew in Mac. Without further ado, let's get started with the installation. First, open your browser and go to scoop.sh. You need to have Windows 10 or 11 with PowerShell version 5.1 or newer. You can check your PowerShell version by opening PowerShell and running PS version table, not PS version. And it says my version is 5.1. To install Scoop, copy the first command and paste it in the PowerShell. This command will change the execution policy for the current user to allow the execution of remote scripts that are signed by a trusted publisher. This is necessary because the second command downloads and executes a script from the internet. Press capital Y, enter. Now copy the second command and paste it. This command downloads the Scoop installation script from the specified URL and pipes it to invoke expression, which executes the script. Hit enter and wait for the installation to finish. That's it. Scoop is now installed. You may need to restart your PowerShell session for the changes to take effect. To do that, close PowerShell and reopen it. You can search for packages using Scoop search package name. For now, I will search for Node.js. There are mainly two versions. One is LTS, which is long-term support version, and the other one is the latest version. Let's install the latest version using Scoop install Node.js. Here, 7-zip is installed with Node.js as a dependency. To see what you have installed, use the scoop list command. As you can see, 7-zip and Node.js is installed. I also recommend installing Git, which will later be used to access other features of Scoop, like installing buckets and upgrading Scoop itself. Verify the installation of Git using the command scoop list. And when you are done with an app, uninstalling is just as easy. The command is scoop uninstall the package name. For example, scoop uninstall Node.js. and Node.js will be uninstalled. Verify the uninstallation using the command scoop list, and as you can see, Node.js is no longer installed. By default, Scoop comes with a main collection of apps, mostly command line tools like Git, Python, Node.js, etc. But what about GUI apps like VLC, Discord, Spotify, and VS Code? Let's try to install VLC and see what happens. As you can see, it could not find manifest for VLC. But if you search for it, you can find VLC and the source says it's in extras. This is where the concept of buckets come in. Think of buckets as different app stores you can add. The most essential one is called extras. You can list available buckets using Scoop bucket list. And as you can see, only the main bucket is available. Let's add the extras bucket. The command is scoop bucket add the bucket name. Here it's extras. Okay, the extras bucket was added successfully. List the buckets. And there are two buckets, main and extras, which we just installed right now. Let's install VLC and see if it works. As you can see, now it works. In a similar way, you can also install other programs like VS Code and Python. To update a program, the command is scoop update the app name. For example, scoop update VLC. I already have the latest version since I installed VLC a few minutes ago. To update all apps, the command is scoop update, and it will update all the apps. Scoop installs app in current user's home directory, so it does not require admin permission to install and update software. List all the files and folders using ls. Go to the Scoop folder using cd. List files and folders. Go to apps folders. List everything, and as you can see, all the apps that we have installed are there. But you will notice something weird, that Scoop is also there as an app. But if we list all the apps using Scoop list command, Scoop does not show up there. This is the real power of Scoop. You can treat Scoop as an app. That means if you want to update Scoop, you can do so using Scoop update Scoop, and it will update itself. Just like you uninstall an app, you can uninstall Scoop using Scoop Uninstall Scoop. Hit enter and it will be uninstalled from your system. I will not do it for now. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.